Take us away from that trucking too! The trucks were all frightened of a small truck that had arrived last night, on its own in the back siding. Take me away! No, take me! Take me, I'm refrigerated. N2, we have an urgent delivery. Please take that truck. No, no, no! You must not take that truck! Out on the main line, something strange began to happen. The small truck howled. Oh, ow! Whatever is going on back there, the truck's wood began to creak and groan. And where the small truck once was, now it had transformed. Soon N2 caught up. Stop there! The were-truck howled and growled. Howl and growl as much as you like. I'm not frightened. I've got a train to pull and you're not delaying me. The were-truck buffered up to N2 and began to push him. The manager chained up the were-truck next to the water tower so it couldn't transform again.